My name is Shannon, and I am the Loco Airstreamer. Here's the deal. In a previous episode, I showed you guys how there is a spot on your step that's built into a vintage Airstream. Many of these, but probably not all of these, have these square holes, and now I'm showing you what those are for. And as you can see, here we go, building the step. And then we cut to the live scrounging around on the ground scene, and I'll tell you all about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Here's the deal. These holes in your old Airstream, like I told you, that's for another step. I think it was an option out of the factory that not a lot of people bought because you just don't see any around. But here's the one I made. This is my step. I'll have the regular plastic covers going in the tubing, square tubing right here, 1-inch square tubing here and here. The reason I left this one open, or I leave these open instead of putting it all square, so I can add on to the step if I want to and go out that way or this way or that way, whatever I want to do. But here it is. And the one thing I do differently, one thing I always do the same, use stainless for outside. That's good, stainless screws. This wood, temporary. It's just some wood I found laying around. It's too soft. I mean, it is soft. So what I'm gonna do is when we hit the road, I'm gonna replace this with starboard, which is used in marine purposes, and I'm pretty familiar with how it works and stuff. So we'll put starboard, 1-inch starboard on here, and then screw that in there and get rid of this soft ass wood that's totally terrible, biodegradable. When you fabricate this, make sure that you fit it to the trailer. Don't do anything square on an Airstream ever, because what will happen is Airstreams aren't square. This was not even close. There we go, done with that deal for now. Here we go, guys, let's try it out. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video on how to make a additional step for your vintage Airstream. If you like it, hit like, and as always, subscribe to Airstream Diary on YouTube. Thanks so much, guys.